Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing what the VPN needs. Sign in and verify payment if required, because some servers are premium. Once done, install the official VPN app for your device and grant only the necessary permissions so it runs reliably. Make sure you have a working internet connection before proceeding. Next, open the app and locate the server list. You'll select a region that allows Facebook access. This gets you into the actionable part quickly and securely. Now you'll select the right server and protocol because these choices affect speed and reliability. Choose a nearby country that permits Facebook to keep latency low. Then pick WireGuard or OpenVPN. WireGuard tends to be faster. OpenVPN is proven stable. Enable the kill switch so your real IP never leaks if the VPN drops, and turn on AutoConnect for future sessions. Connect and wait for the app to show a secure tunnel. You'll then verify connectivity, but finally verify Facebook works. Open the site or app, log in, and test loading a profile in your feed. If pages still fail to load, switch servers or change the protocol because some IP ranges are blocked. Clearing your DNS cache also helps. If Facebook prompts for unusual login verification, make sure your device time zone matches the chosen server region and follow two-factor authentication prompts. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable battery saver or aggressive app restrictions that can interrupt the VPN connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.